This is the 1953 Oldsmobile Super 88 convertible, featured here in a Gate Red with a beautiful red leather interior. Introduced by Oldsmobile in 1949, the 88 rode on a 119.5-inch wheelbase. It featured an all-new Futuramic design with an all-new 303 cubic inch overhead valve V8 engine. This engine, paired with a 4-barrel carburetor and hydromatic automatic transmission, gave the Oldsmobile Super 88 160 horsepower with 265 foot-pounds of torque. The 1953 model, as featured here, was the last year for this body style, but what style it has. Rounded hood, trunk, and fenders are all highlighted by dazzling red paint and accented with chrome trim that is in pristine condition. From 1948 until 1957, Oldsmobile adopted a ring-globed emblem depicting North America to stress what marketers felt was its universal appeal. In 1950, Oldsmobile began incorporating the rocket as part of the 88 logo to emphasize its go-fast image. The 88 featured here has a perfect black convertible top and roomy interior that features rich red leather upholstery. Another great feature in this Oldsmobile is this Ultronic eye. This would sense the headlights of an oncoming car and automatically dim your headlights if your high beams are on. Oldsmobile continued to sell the 88 up until 1999. From 1950 to 1974, the Olds 88 was Oldsmobile's most profitable line. The Rocket 88 was a legendary car, and it's good to see that this legend still runs the streets today.
Get the going in an 88, it's a driver's dream come true.
Classic Chrome with Dave is a YouTube channel where we celebrate the history of the automobile. We believe in keeping the classics alive by providing you information on some of your favorite classic automobiles of the 20th century, including muscle cars, sports cars, and of course, classic trucks. So log on now. Check out Classic Chrome with Dave. Don't forget to click like and subscribe and share the link with friends. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram. In the meantime, thank you for watching. I'm your host, Dave. Peace, and keep the classics alive.